Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. To simply explain to you guys what's happening, I'll be showing you guys a very unique strategy of which you guys can use to make profits in the market. This has been tested and it really works. Try it for yourself. And one thing I always recommend is always backtest and backtest, collect the data and make your own conclusions, right? But these indicators can really make you profit if you use it the right way. So I'll just make you guys aware of certain things. First of all, you need to really make sure that your risk management is always on point, all right? Do not deviate from it. Many traders die because of literally just that. All right, if you can control your risk management, you are good to go. All right, so I'm going to show you guys a few examples and I'm going to break down my indicators and how you can use them. So, well, these are not my indicators. They are from TradingView and just put together, but you can use them to actually win in the market. So first and foremost, I'm going to explain to you guys. So the first one on the chart is called the Hall Suit by Insilico. So if you want to find indicators, simply click on the settings over here, indicators, and just search for Hall Suit. I've started mine because it's convenient access. Second one is called QQE mod. It's quite popular, but the good thing is it works. So volume oscillator, very brilliant indicator. It filters out a lot of bad trades. So I'll show you guys a few examples of trades that you can take and when to take trades and when not to take trades. All right, first of all, I'm going to start right here. Let me go back a bit. Show you guys a few examples. So I think let's start right here. Let's look for a perfect signal. All right, so you can see. So your first confirmation is so this is your first confirmation, second confirmation, and third confirmation. So what you should look for is the QQE mod changing colors. When it changes colors, make sure that your whole suit is green, and make sure that price is above the whole suit, enclosed above it, and make sure that there is enough volume on your oscillators. It has to be above the gray line. So once that is in place, you simply put your trade in right here. This trade happened right here. Put your trade in, put your stop loss below the previous low, and you can either target 1 to 5, or you can use a different money management method. All right, but 1 to 5 works. So try 1 to 5. I'll show you guys a different example. Show you guys another one. Just look for another one. So this might be one right here. As you can see right here, QQE mod, blue. We have our volume above the gray line, and we have our whole suit is green. So we're simply going to put the trade in right here, put your stop loss below the previous low as such, and target 1 to 5. As simple as that. So those are buy signals. I'll show you some sell signals if I can find them. There aren't many sell signals, but the point here is you need to take trades only when they are given. Do not rush trades. Do not try to force trades. All of those things will lead to you getting bad trades, and you end up blowing your account, and you get frustrated because you simply do not follow your rules. So make sure to always follow your rules, follow your risk management, and you always stay on top, right? It'll make you consistently profitable in the long run. Thanks for watching. Let me know how the system goes, and stay tuned for more. Subscribe, comment, and peace out.